how to fix image or screen zoom issues on Instagram. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So, if you're experiencing unwanted zooming or cropping issue on Instagram, whether it's during photo uploads, reviewing posts, or while recording stories, here are some effective solutions to address these problems. For that, you want to go ahead and simply disable device accessibility zoom feature. Go ahead and simply open up your settings application in your mobile device. Inside here, simply tap on accessibility. Then you'll be able to find zoom. Go ahead and tap onto it and make sure it is turned off. Once you toggle it off, head back to your home screen and then you want to go ahead and long press on your Instagram application. Tap on remove app, tap on delete app, and then tap on delete. Once you have deleted Instagram from your device, you want to visit the App Store again and reinstall Instagram app. This can resolve bugs and improve app performance. After that, head back to your home screen and then open settings again. Inside settings, tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage, and inside iPhone storage, you'll then be able to find Instagram. Tap onto it, tap on Upload app, then tap on Upload app again. Offloading the application will help you to clear the cache and will also help you to free up the storage. So once you have done that, you want to go ahead and simply open up your Instagram to see if the issue has been fixed or not. If not, you can simply open up your Instagram, then move to settings. Go ahead and tap on the settings like icon. Then scroll all the way to the bottom, then simply tap on help. Go ahead and tap on report a problem, and just like that, describe the issue in details and submit the report. Just like that, you'll then be able to fix your issue. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.